Hello and welcome to week 6 final workshop presentation. In this analysis, Sally, the owner of the last drop petrol station, has asked us to estimate her petrol station revenue using FORECAST.LINEAR for the years 2021 through 2023. Sally, thank you for allowing me to showcase the future revenue using the Excel function FORECAST.LINEAR for the petrol station. Your petrol station's historical data from 2012 through 2020 has been showing an increase in revenue. When such historical information is placed on a plot chart using a regression line, it demonstrates a steady growth, which can be interpreted as a continuously increasing trend. With the help of Excel, we use the function formula equals forecast.linear parenthesis x comma known y's comma known x's, where x is the numeric value, in our case the year, for which we are looking to forecast a y value. In other words, the estimated revenue needed from the years 2021 through 2023. Thus, the non-Ys are the range of revenue from 2012 to 2020, and the non-X's are the range of years from 2012 to 2020, which are dependent variables, and our historical data. After plugging in the numbers and selecting the cell range using the Excel statistical function, we continue to get growth in revenue for the next 3 years starting on 2021. The forecast values are $398,850.75 for 2021, $433,058.47 for 2022, $467,266.19 for 2023, as displayed on the column forecast.linear on the right side of this slide. We can also use the previous forecast data to insert a forecast scatter plot or smooth line and add a regression line to see if the forecast data fits the linear trend line. Additionally, we can also include the R-square to eliminate any bias when analyzing the new estimates. Both the trend line and the R-squared are showcased here on this slide. As you can see on our last drop petrol revenue forecast graph displayed here, you should expect revenues to grow from 2021 through 2023. In other words, your petrol revenue is predicted to raise $27,184.67 from 2020 through 2021, $34,207.72 from 2021 through 2022, and $34,207.72 on the year of 2023, respectively. However, after carefully analyzing the forecast revenue, it appears that the years 2022 and 2023 are forecasted to grow the same amount of revenue. In other words, $34,207.72. Perhaps to change this plateau effect on revenue, strategic planning must be considered to continue the growth, but in higher intervals, so that the business continues to expand. On the other side of the spectrum, the coefficient of determination, or R-squared, is 0.9971, which is relatively close to 1, thus concluding that the linear trend line is a good fit of the estimated values to the actual data set. when employing the forecast.linear function through Excel, therefore, inferring that the future estimated revenue on your petrol station will continue to grow and that its revenue will hit a plateau effect on income from the year of 2022 and onwards. As always, thank you for watching this week's final workshop presentation today, and cheers, have a great day.